Howdy freeze dryers, it is day 6 of eating only freeze dried food, and I only have 6 meals left before my challenge is complete. And today is an exciting day because I get to try some really good stuff today. In the morning for breakfast, I'm gonna have some strawberry banana yogurt bites, which I'm gonna rehydrate just back into yogurt. I have some baby food. Let's not forget about babies. These are actually multi-purpose. I also use them just for fruit bars. They're actually really good in that form as well. For lunch, I have some pho. PHO, made this a long time ago, back in 2021. If you're not familiar with pho, it's a very flavorful soup. And for dinner, I have some chicken broccoli braid filling made all the way back in 2022. This is my favorite meal. That I always request this every year for my birthday, and maybe I'll have a little nostalgia while I'm rehydrating this. First up, strawberry banana yogurt bites. These were in bite-sized form. I actually crushed most of them up so they would rehydrate a little faster. These are pretty much a no-brainer. You just add water, mix them. They rehydrate super fast and kind of dissolve while they're doing so. These do best if they are completely powdered before you rehydrate. So I'm gonna let this sit a little bit, absorb a little more water. We'll work on our baby food in the meantime. This is homemade baby food from a video I made many years ago. And you can either eat these like they are in a snack, or you can rehydrate them. They are fit for adult consumption also. They're actually really healthy for you. Baby food, here comes the airplane. Baby food did really nice. And here is a little freeze drying lesson for you. If something like yogurt and some other dairy stuff too, if you do not powder this very fine before you rehydrate, you see those little grit chunks in there? When you rehydrate, it's really hard to get this completely smooth again. For this example, you don't really notice it while you're eating it, but you can see it. Before we rehydrate this next meal, make sure you check out freezedryingsupplies.com. All of these meals and my previous recipe videos were all made using freezedryingsupplies.com accessories. For those of you counting, this is my 17th meal, and it's going to be freeze-dried pho from January of 21, the height of COVID. Pho is a very flavorful soup noodle type bowl. It has lots and lots of flavor packed into a small package. You can't tell me that does not look delicious. Look at all those little chunks of onion and greens, spices. There's some tofu in here. The best part about this is I put in all the work up front, and all we need to do is add a little hot water. I don't know if you've ever looked into emergency food or survival food or backpacking food, but you are not gonna get cuisine like this at 4 Patriots or Backpackers Pantry or Mountain House. The only way to get this freeze-dried and rehydrated is to make it homemade yourself and freeze-dry it. You're in luck though, because I have the recipe at freezedryingcookbook.com and how to rehydrate it perfectly just like this. Something to note, all of these recipes that we're rehydrating can be found at the freezedryingcookbook.com. These are all past recipes that we have done in prior videos over the course of the last 8+ years. So if you want some free recipes and an all-access pass to today's recipes and many, many others, make sure you check out the freezedryingcookbook.com. Sometimes I feel like the luckiest guy ever, because this week with freeze-dried food, I've gotten to eat some of my favorite meals that I ever eat. For dinner, I'm gonna have some chicken broccoli braid filling. This was made in July of 2022. If you're not familiar with a chicken broccoli braid, you basically take all of these delicious ingredients in here. There's broccoli, there's cheese, there is peppers, onions, all kinds of stuff, and you fill it in a croissant type thing. You overlap the dough and then you bake it, and it makes this big, almost like a giant calzone. The beauty of having just this filling freeze-dried is that I can rehydrate this and recreate the broccoli braid if I want, but in my opinion, the best part of the broccoli braid is actually the filling, and I like to just rehydrate it. You can eat it on crackers, you can eat it like a sandwich, or you can just eat it out of a bowl. These were actually made with dividers, so I could figure out our portions for rehydration to make 1 serving. And what I've noticed by using these dividers for all these years is that even if things do not necessarily freeze dry perfectly and they crumble like this right here, it really just makes things very consistent when you go to rehydrate things. It also makes everything equal all the time, so it's very easy to replicate recipes. And that's why creating the freeze-drying-cookbook.com was so important for us, because any of the recipes that I have ever made, I've ever done a video on, they're located for free as a recipe, as a rehydration method at the freeze-drying-cookbook.com. It's the only thing out there like it. And chances are there will never be one like it again, because it is an extreme amount of work that we have put into the freeze-drying cookbook. It was a total labor of love. We love what we do. We love freeze drying. We've made it available to all members, complete access, total access to every recipe in there. And to recreate that cookbook, you would have to do thousands and thousands of cycles of freeze drying, and you would not be able to get beautiful results like that. Chicken broccoli braid, rehydrated. This is such a versatile filling. You can use it for all kinds of different stuff. You can put it on a cracker. You can eat it plain like this. Put it in a sandwich, make a chicken broccoli braid. There's only 3 meals left. Tomorrow is day 7 of eating only freeze-dried food for 7 days in a row, 21 meals in a row, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Hey, you! Are you unlocking your full potential as a freeze dryer? If you're not signed up for the freeze drying community email list, you're missing out on pro freeze drying tips and freeze dryer giveaways, the latest sales, inspirational people in the freeze drying community, as well as invaluable food storage recipes. And most important, unlocking your inner freeze drying guru. Click the first link in the description to get signed up.